that's Ashely Graves, aka Drel Da Barber, and I'm here to show you the hair replacement. And it's basically building confidence into your client. And I do have loyal clients that love to come back to get it every time, and I do it on Mondays as well. And I feel like it's the reason why I do that. So other clients ain't inside the shop, so it's self-esteem to be built up because they ain't used to having other people around while applying this process. So this is one of my loyal clients, and as you can see on top of his head, he got hair loss. So basically, what I went into, and here's my products, I'm not going to put them on. So as you can see right here, when I first started the process and everything, I go ahead and cut the hair off the apex of the head, and I clean it up. I usually use 91% alcohol, so I can make sure everything is cleansed and disinfected, sterilized, whatever. And so then I go and take the clear protection on glue, and I put it on the surface at first. That's what I'm applying right there at that time. Then I take a hair dryer, make sure the surface is dry. So then, after that process is done, I go ahead and put the gold bond glue, and you can get it at your store. It usually run about $25, but you can usually use it about 3 times. You can do 3 different clients, make it last or whatever. Try not to use all in one. And so I apply that at first, and then I have my hair. Usually when I'm doing this kind of process, I'm doing like a wave look. I use the Marley hair, and they can get it in any color. They usually go by alphabetical order, and this is a 1B, so that'll be black. And so I cut it in halves, and I start laying and attaching it to the head. But when I attach it to the head, I make sure every piece of layer is close together, because you don't want to have no open areas and everything. Because when the foundation is already set, and then you finally done with it, you start shaping it up. You're allowed to have, you want to make sure everything is all together because you want to make that foundation be perfect. So then I go to shaping it and putting the line up and everything else. And then that's your complete process, and then you can see the confidence on the man's face. He did love the job that I put on. And just some more clients that I have as well. This guy, he comes from Durham, matter of fact, he loves it. And matter of fact, I did different processes and different jobs, and then I got another client. He coming next Monday, and I ain't get to do it in time, and because his hair didn't grow back in time on the side, so I supposed to be doing a dreadlock process. I'm putting dreads on somebody's head. So basically, that's the process. And I thank y'all very much for Mr. Slade for giving me the opportunity to present this to y'all and everything. And I hope to be here again. Thank you very much.